Hi there, welcome, and thanks for choosing Class Creative's Maya and Unreal Rigging for Beginners Intro to mGear. With over 300 5-star reviews and counting for award-winning course, Maya and Unreal Complete Guide to Fast 3D Animation Rigging, our enrolled students have been asking for additional workflows and improvements that we want to include in an exclusive course offering to Class Creative's members and subscribers. In this foundational course, we will be learning the fundamentals of using mGear for Autodesk Maya and everything you need to get started to rig the Unreal Mannequin hierarchy, custom meshes, and more. We will cover the following core skill sets: comparing mGear to other available rigging solutions such as Advanced Skeleton and Unreal Engine's Epic Auto rigging tools, installation and setup process, differences between rigging for AAA games, indie games, and cinematics, understanding and working with the shifter and guide manager, Unreal Mannequin import-export process, how to use the Mannequin templates and game tools, creating the Anim picker, working with the snap script function to create Unreal Engine compatible rigged characters, how to rig a custom character mesh adhering to the Unreal Mannequin hierarchy using mGear, rigging props, root motion animation workflow, industry rigging and best practice workflows. This course features an Emmy award-winning instructor who has over 10 years of experience rigging characters for studios such as Disney, Blizzard, Amazon, Ubisoft, and more. Enroll today and begin your journey into the exciting creative world of character rigging and animation with mGear. We look forward to seeing you in class.